Okay, so I believe all of you are very familiar with this login page. So let me log in into the system first. I'm your trainer. My name is Tiba, yeah. Okay. So for today, we will learn about the CSS submodule. So when it's come to the submodule here, we will learn about 4 modules. Okay, the first module whereby we will learn about the task management. Okay, so task management means more focus to the complaint parts lah. Okay, and work order. Okay, work order means any work order among the management. So later we will go in more details. Okay, followed by preventive. Okay, purchasing and e-community. Okay, e-community, it is more focused into your resident app. Okay, so what we learn at the e-community there is more to the setup part, how you want to manage the app. Okay, and lastly will be for the CSS Smart Office app plus with CSS Home. Okay, but for the CSS Home, normally I will guide you all for 2 features. One is on how we want to reply their complaints, plus on the balance slip as well. Okay, so first, hope all of you able to focus the trainings. First, we will look into the task management. Okay, so under the task management here, for today, I will split into few categories. The first one will be the setup part. Okay, after the setup, we will go through on how to run the system. Okay, and the end part will be for the task management is the reporting part. Okay, and another thing I like to highlight over here is for those who have the full access, okay, try to focus more on the setup part. Okay, and for those who just have like a minimal access, you just can focus whatever the function that you have. Okay. And another thing, so let me go for the another like setting part first. Okay, so for the setting over here, you have like a few setting, which is a very minor, will take you less than 5 minutes. Okay, the first setup we will call as the user reporting chain. Okay, so basically the user reporting, you're unable to find out from here. Okay, so where you can find is you can go to the system manager. Okay, so you can find to the system setup. Okay, after you go to the system setup, you can find the features. Yeah. Okay, here, reporting chain. Okay, so the function of reporting chain is whenever you whenever you assign the task to the technician, who will be the person in charge to close the task, either like the overdue task to whom will be escalated. Okay, basically in simple word, to whom they wanted to report. Okay, so how are you going to do so? Of course, they must have a user ID to access. Example, okay. Let me delete this one first. Okay, so you have to choose the user code first. After you choose the user code, add, and then report to who. Okay, that's it. Okay, so once you're done over here, you can go to the system manager back. Okay, so under the system manager here, go back to the task management. Okay, so at the task management here, you have to do some other setup now. Okay. First thing, don't forget, don't forget, first setup you have to done under the system setup there, user reporting chain. That is the first. Followed by the another one will be the user department setting. Okay, so let me explain what is the user department setting. Okay, so user department setting is, example, let's say for those projects who they are taking care of multiple department code. Okay, so that then you can assign according to that. If let's say you don't have multiple, you only have like a one department code, maybe JMB, maybe MC, maybe RA. So you just stick with that. Okay, example, right here. For first time, of course, it will be a very empty. Okay. Example. So your BE example. Okay, this is your BE and E is in charging of few department code. Then you can choose it. Okay. Do log in. Okay. And save. If let's say your one is only one, just focus into one. That's it. Okay. And third setup, okay, will be your system option setting. Okay, so over here, it is subject to you how you want to do it. Okay, but somehow I still will guide you all. Okay, first is event type. Okay, event type, basically we do have like a by default event type. Okay, event type in another word is type of complaint. Either you can take it as a category of the complaint. Okay, so let's say you don't want this all the details. You want to add on by your own. Shouldn't be a problem. How are you going to add on? You can see here, there's a 3-dot box. Okay, so go over here and just add on over here. Example, I just put April Tesla. Okay, add. So you can see here, it's already here. If let's say you want to delete, okay, let me try to delete anything like this one. Okay, delete. That's it. Okay, you can add on the category and you can delete the category as well. Okay, exit. So you can see here again, I will show you all. Okay, this one, add protest. Okay, and then defect code. Okay, defect code normally will be like the maintenance, servicing, observing, okay, and other defect codes lah. Okay, it is not necessary for you to update like many. If let's say you have many, you still can add on. If let's say you just want to add on like a monitor, servicing, maintenance or repair, okay, faulty, you still able to update. Okay, how are you going to update? Again, the same process here. 3-dot box. Okay, just add on. You can see here, my one is here. So if let's say you want to delete, you just can select it and delete. Okay, so this two. Okay, and then another one will be the below. Okay, these 4 features is subject to you. Okay, how you want to implement it. Okay, so let me explain to you. CSE means customer service entry. WO is the work order. Okay, example. Okay, over here it is written as a send an email when directing CSE or work order passed to other user, which means whenever you sending out any customer complaint, means your resident complaint, either work order, if you want that particular work order and complaint to receive at their email, means you just can untick it. Okay, so they will receive at their email. But another thing I like to highlight over here, if you put as like to receive, means like you tick it to receive at their email, tapi masa nak register dia punya user ID, they don't have a email, means of course they won't receive lah. Okay, you must put the email address as well under their user ID creation. Okay, first thing. Second, whether you want to display their, means like your resident details at the personal organizer ke tak. If you want, you just can tick. If you don't want, you just can ignore it. Means like you just can untick it lah. Okay. And the third one, whether you want to allow them to edit the event type or not. Okay. And followed by whether the task can be automatically can be closed by the authorized person or not. Okay. That's it. And then below here, you don't need to do anything. The bulletin, it is for our technical side. Okay. And then save it. Okay. Followed by the another one will be the this one. Task escalation timeline. Okay. Okay, task escalation timeline, it is okay. Task escalation timeline, it is subject to you how you want to input. Okay. So basically for task escalation timeline means you just can put it like, for example, of course, for each type of case scenario, you have a multiple, like a few days that you have to be done. Okay, but if let's say you want to play around with this, you just can add on. So over here, you can see like for minor and low priority, I put 6 days. Okay, maybe you want to put like a 5 days. For any minor job, you need your staff to be finished within 5 days. If they fail to do so, this task will be escalated to superior. Okay, and be informed, this timeline you have to set up according to your environment. Okay, the means like the sample that I use is just my assumption. Okay, if let's say you want to put like, for example, like medium, you don't want to put 1, you want to put 2 also can, and make sure choose your calendar. Okay, and save. That's it. Okay, so any question for setting part? Is there any question you guys would like to ask for the setting? Okay, the task escalation timeline is, okay, if let's say you want to put like each minority or moderate task, okay, within how many days need to be finished. So you can put it the date over there. Katakan untuk minor, I letak 5. Okay, so let's say dalam 5 hari dia tak siap, and then after the 6th day, it will go to the superior, just for the monitor purpose. Dapat tak? Okay. So any other question before we go to the operation part? Means, Miss Padma, are you referring to manual? Yeah, we do have a manual, but it will be shared after the training lah. Okay. Okay. So we will go to the next part, okay, which is more to the operation part. Okay, so for the operation part here, we will learn two things. One is the customer service entry. The another one is the work order. Okay, for now, we still will, means like I still will guide like how you going to cater the traditional complaint into the like more like a e-form one. Okay, and the last part, I will cover the complaint which is from the okay, means I will cover from the app part. Okay. Okay. So first we will learn about the complaint, how we want to manage the complaint. Okay. So I believe for now, if let's say you have any complaint that you are normally what you will do is you just will give them a form, ask them to fill up in the form there, and then that particular form you will submit to your technician. Okay, but here what we have is we already have the e-form for you. Okay, e-form is whereby you just can whenever they came to management, call in, you just can open that form, you can update the complaint itself. Okay, so how we going to do so? Let me guide you. So it will be under this one. Task management. Example, let's say now you have any resident walking in. Okay, what you have to do first thing is go to the task management here. Okay. Choose the service entry, customer service entry. Okay, so if they want to complain, okay, just go to the app. Okay, first thing remember under the task management, customer service entry, and plus go to the app here. Okay, you just choose your property code and lot number. Okay, the unit numbers lah. Example, if you know the unit, you just can press it. You want to type the name also can. Okay, so katakan, okay, this complaint is made by the tenant. Okay, what you can do is you still able to update the tenant details over here. Okay, even the tenant contact also can. If you update any name over here, either the phone number, okay, it won't interrupt your property management setting there. Okay, so example like this. Okay, media means is like source of complaint. Macam mana kita receive dia punya complaint? Okay, that they walk in ke, either they just call in ke, WhatsApp to you ke, okay, you just can update here. If your one is empty over here, no problem. Okay, you just can go here, media. Okay, that's again, I repeat, you can go to the media here. Okay, choose it, and then here, item, you just can put it here, the item nah. Okay, macam mana you receive, katakan apa saya nak letak. Telegram ada. Just put lah. Okay, just simply put lah. Okay, so choose lah, katakan dia visit to MO. Okay, defect code. Pasal apa dia nak repair? Maybe, complain. Maybe dia nak complain pasal repair. Then I choose repair. Okay, then where's the affected location? Means your defect location. Okay, katakan lobby. Okay, then what they want to complain? Okay, maybe they want to complain that the lift is rosak. Okay, lift repair. Okay, description. Over here you can write down their story. Okay, what is the repair things? Whatever the complaint notes, put it here. Okay, just put testing, and then here is the moderate and then medium. Okay, if you choose moderate, then it will be like within according to your task escalation timeline there lah. Okay, it will be escalate to your superior. Okay, I believe just now got someone ask me about the task escalation, right? So here is your task escalation will be captured. Okay, if let's say you don't set up, okay, it shouldn't be a problem, but you still have a date that you can put. If they fail to do the job according to that date, then it still will escalate to the superior. Okay, once you're done, you just can save. Okay, and another thing I want to highlight, okay, this one please take note. When it's come to the complaint, masa kita nak key in kan complaint tu, upon you save, you can see that your layout turn differently. Okay, upon you save only, you able to attach the image. Okay, means image mean it is referring to the image which is your resident brought up to you. Okay, so how you going to attach? Same thing like how you attach in the image lah. Okay, and choose your file. Let me find whether there are any image or not. Okay, save. Okay, so I got image here, and then this is most important part. Okay, over here you will assign the task to your technician. Okay, to any staff can be. Okay, so I will choose it to whom that I want to choose. Okay, target date. Okay, maybe they have to finish before 10. Okay, and okay, this message it is actually not to your owner. Okay, this is to your staff. Okay, to your technician. Okay, and then you just can put it here, some message. ASAP. Okay, and then submit. Okay, maybe for this task, after you submitted, you feel like you want to add on the observer. Do take note, in our system, after you submit the task, after you assign the task, okay, to your technician or to your other staff, then only you can add on the observer. Okay, the observer means like for them, it's just to observe only. Okay, submit. That's it. Okay. And then now I will show you how does the person will receive the task. Okay, so for that, I will log out this one first. Okay, let me log in into my staff ID. Okay, after you log in, you can see here, you have received new task. Okay, press OK, and you just go to the inbox. So this will be your inbox lah. Okay, whatever the task order, either like complaint that you are receiving from someone, it will fall under your inbox lah. Whatever you send out, it will be under the outbox. Okay, so this is the task that just now I assigned to my staff. I can press it and I can view, oh, what is the issue is about? Okay, what is the image that has been attached? Okay, so everything I can view from here. Okay, I just want to show to you guys, how does it look like? Okay, these are the full details I can view. Okay, what is the issue? Okay, and then all the remarks I can view from here. Sent by siapa? Okay, everything you can view here. Okay, if you done, katakan you done. Okay, what you can do is you can put completed. Okay, if let's say unresolved, then you just can put unresolved lah. Okay, completed, and then you just can put done. That's it. The task is over. Okay. So if let's say you want to attach the image, yes, you still can choose a file here to attach. Okay, shouldn't be a problem. Okay, where am I? Okay, done. Submit. And that's it. Okay. So how you receive? I will log out this one. I will log out, then I will show in from my view one. You can see here, wait, log out first. Okay, now my staff already done the job, so I log in back into mine. Okay, so you can see here. I receive a new message. Okay, I just can directly go here. So this is the details. I say, oh, okay, this one has been done. Okay, that's it. Okay, this is how you will handle the complaint, which is from the owner. Okay, the without add one. Okay. So any question before we move into another features, which is like the functions lah. Okay, which is a work order. Okay, is there any question from anyone? Nak tanya apa-apa tak? Okay. Yes. I see someone is. Yes. Shanice. Anything? Yes, owner can access into the app and make a complaint. Okay, but that part we won't cover now. Okay, we will cover later part when I touch about the e-community. Yeah. Okay, so now we will move to the work order part. Okay, so the work order means, for example, okay, this one is among your staff lah. Okay, means like among your management team. Okay, if let's say we take it the sample as current one. Okay, if you have any task, normally what you will do is you just will inform to your staff via verbally. Okay, but if you want to have in a proper record or proper tracking, okay, we will suggest you to use the work order. Okay, example. Okay, now I want to get my staff to do some job. Okay, what I want to do is I just assign them the work order. Okay, how are you going to do so? First, work order. Second, add. You don't need to choose the lot number and anything. No need. Direct to the point. Maybe I want to get them to prepare the default list. Examples, okay, event type. Okay, it's an office task. Let me choose this. It's office work. Okay, and then description. Okay. Example, okay, defect code, no need. Location also, I don't put. If you are assigning job which is more to the maintenance part, then yes, you can go for the defect codes lah. Okay, and then you can mention the location. But since this is more to the paperwork, it is in the, of course, it will be in the office. Okay, and then this one I want to put as a high priority. Okay, and I save it. Okay, always remember, after we save, only you're able to attach any image in the file and assign to your staff. Okay, when you look into the flow, it is almost similar with the customer service entry, but the difference is over here you won't have the owner details to go on or either to update. Okay, that's the difference. Okay, then after you choose to whom that you want to submit, and then you just can put your target it, of course, follow to the one. Okay, any message you just can put it here. Okay, submit. That's it. Okay, how they will receive, again I will show to you guys. Okay, so I log out this one. I'll use my staff one. Okay, of course, it will be under the inbox lah. Okay. Okay, prepare the default list. This is my task. Okay, if let's say I already done, so you just can put it completed. That's it. Okay, it is quite simple and straightforward now. Okay, example, I just submit. That's it. Okay. Is there any question for the operation side before we go to the reporting part? Meanwhile, let me log out for this one first. Ada sesiapa nak tanya apa-apa tak? Hi, Miss Padma. Appointment list means, are you referring to your staff that they need to update the appointment list? Because the task management mainly will be for work order and your complaints. So appointment means, are you like, just to try to understand you, like, are you referring to all the appointment that to be updated in the system? Like appointment checklist? Or appointment, if let's say it is subject to you, okay? So if let's say you want to use the work order just to mention to them also can. But if let's say when it's come to the listing, okay, means like full listing for now, we don't have yet under the work order. Okay, Miss, are you referring to something like a reminder? Because this one, I believe it will be more to the reminder actually. If let's say more to the reminder means it will fall under the preventive, which later on I will brief on it. Okay. Okay. So be informed, task management over here is more referring to your like complaints and work order. Okay. If let's say anything related to the reminders, it will fall under the preventive. Okay. Which later on we will look into it after we settle the task management. Okay. And the next part will be the reporting. Okay, so over here we do have few report. Okay, and then place for you to tracking as well. Okay, but I will brief you and then I will suggest to you which will be the for easy view report. Okay, easy understand one. Okay. Okay, so for the tracking means like for you to track the okay, so for our task management over here, we don't have like a reminder. So like reminder means our son, for example, like any working reminder, we have like special like function which is fall under the preventive. Okay, all type of your upcoming appointment or any upcoming task, you can set your you can preset your reminder. Okay, like task management over here, like how it work is if let's say you fail to do the job, okay, until you finish it, it will keep on remind you. Okay, so these two things is a different thing here now. Okay, so example like your task management, if your work order, okay, so you already put some certain dates. Okay, if I say within that particular days you haven't finished yet, it will keep on remind you. Even though after it's already escalated, even after it overdue, it will still keep on remind you and your superior. Okay, if you set up the superior as the under your reporting chain there lah. Okay. Okay, and then so reporting part. Okay, before that we will go to the tracking part first. Okay, if let's say you want to tracking it, so we have like a work order dashboard. So over here you can do the tracking by your own self. Okay, so what status date range here, you have like 1 is for 1 day, 7 is a week, and 30 is a 1 month. Okay, so let's say you wanted to know within a month, okay, what is the new job, means like new items, in progress, and overdue. Okay, so all the details will be captured here. Example, okay, we look into overdue because the number is quite big. We look into it. For example, let's say this job, okay, like swimming pool servicing. Okay, nobody is entertaining it. Okay, maybe this task you want to reassign to someone. Yes, can. You just can press it. Actually, you can press into the number. You can have a look. What is the issue with that? Okay, you can choose that one and you can reassign to someone. Okay, how are you going to do so? You don't need to edit anything. You just can add any assignee. Okay, example, put when is, target, and you can put the message here. Okay, why the last month job now only you want to assign to this person. Okay, so again they will receive at the inbox there. Okay, first thing, and then another one will be your departmental task listing. Okay, I want to highlight something on departmental task listing actually. So this departmental task listing, it is not able to view by everyone. Okay, only like a certain, like for those who have like higher level access, only can view. Okay, give me a moment. Okay, so basically this will be your sorry. So this will be the departmental task listing. Okay, so basically under the departmental task listing here, let me see why it show as a personal organizer. Okay. Okay, so basically under the departmental task listing, okay, so what you can view is, again, it only can view by the superior level, okay, means if let's say you want to monitor your staff, okay, today, what type of task they receive, everything you will check under the departmental task listing over here, okay, like any staff, okay, from admin staff to your technician staff, whatever the task they receive, everything you can check from here. Okay, but over here you only can see my name, okay, because I only assign, I have a lot of job that previously I assigned for the testing one, so you only can view myself lah. Okay, and the next one for the reporting. Okay, so for reporting we do have like a multiple type of the report. Okay, so but I will suggest one report, okay, which we call as the task listing. Yeah. Okay, so this will be the task listing. Okay, so the task listing, basically what you can view is, you can view the full details of your report. Okay, so let me show to you first. Okay, the period type. Okay, so it is up to you whether you want to view by daily, monthly, or into the date range. Okay, so I prefer to choose monthly. Okay, April, you can choose the month, the one you wish to view. Okay, combine. If I say you combine, means your task listing will be combined with your work order and customer service entry. Okay, and then the another one you can choose by the status. But over here, I just going to choose the customer service entry. Okay, and then status I just put empty. Let me show to you how does my report is look like. Okay, basically this will be the report. Okay. Okay, so what I can view is from the entry date, okay, and then what is the event type, okay, to whom that I assign, okay, what is the status, we can view from here. Okay, this is the action log. Okay, now action log, normally what you can view is the communications. Okay, you can view it. If you wish to like print into the PDF copy, either export into Excel also can. Okay, shouldn't be a problem on that. Okay, then the another one will be this one. Statistic one. Okay, CSE is stand for customer service entry. Okay, so normally SI date means it's like your cut-off dates lah. Okay, this date you can adjust by your own. Okay, so by default system, of course, will capture today date. Maybe I want to view the completed. Okay, what system will do is it will pull your category, means like the event type. Okay, and then it will show you a numeric here. Okay, example, as this date, the completed job for account is field is this 35, but you can't view into details lah. Okay, this is mainly for your reference purposes only. Okay, and the another one, the statistic 2 is reporting also, but here you will break into the month. Okay, example, Feb until April. Okay, I just monthly submit. Okay, all the event type will be pulled out. Okay, together with the completed job. Okay, so this report also you can print into the Excel. Okay, and either export it also okay. Sorry, print into the PDF, either export into Excel also can. Okay, and another one, okay, will be your this one set already. Task escalation listing. Okay, whatever the task has been escalated on, you can view from here. Okay, so let's say you want to view from certain dates only, means you can go to the query here, and then you can, if we have a query column here, actually you can choose your own query column from the job title also can. Okay, either you just can from which you can put from which date to which date. Okay, date submit is referring to the date that you open the work order either complete. Okay. Yes, you can communicate with the owner. Okay, if the owner make a complaint from the app, means you're still able to communicate with them. Okay, so that part I will guide it on the last part when I touch about the app, because we still haven't go to the app part yet. Okay. So basically for the complaint, you still can communicate with them lah. Yes, exactly. For example, let's say at the app, okay, they complain to you and you reply back to them, means under the task listing, there's action log, right? Over there, you can view whatever the communication, you can view it. Example, let me show you the work order one. Okay, for now lah. This is escalated one. It will fall under the message here. Okay, you can view it. Okay, something like this. If you have like a very long one, you will have like very long conversations lah with them. You can see here. This one. Please take a look. Something like that. Okay. You can view it. Okay, whatever the complaint or feedback, everything owner will put under the app. Okay, are you referring to something like, you know, like give rating if they are not satisfied? Okay, for give rating, of course, we don't have lah. But if let's say they still want to voice out their feedback, they still can use the service request to voice out the rating. For now, we don't have a rating yet. Okay, so all this, where you can view is, Thomas, you can view under the task management and you can view under the task listing here. Okay, over there you already have like all the details that you ask for. You just can choose it accordingly now. Okay. Okay, you can check it from here. Example, you want to go by daily, then you just can choose your date. Okay, you can put whether you want to view the work order or customer service entry and choose your status. So everything you will view under the one page here. Okay, so for owner part, we haven't touched yet because the owner part will be later part. We are still covering for the management side. The owner part, I will cover after the e-community. So I will show you how owner will send you a feedback and how you reply to them. Okay, we not yet go to that part yet. We still have few more modules to complete. In the report. Okay, so in the report, again, we come back here, task listing here. Okay, be informed to all of you. At the task listing here, whatever the complaints, you can view the report under here. Okay, you can split into, let's say you only want the complaint from your owner. Okay, then you can choose a customer service entry. Okay, if let's say you want to view the report, everything will be here. Okay, so I just choose in progress. Okay, I yet receive any yet. Okay, because the day still early here. Okay, new event tak ada. Okay, maybe I just try to adjust the date. Tak ada juga. Okay, wait, I put date range. Let me show to you. Wait. I don't have. New event pun tak ada. So you can see this is owner side. Okay, this is from the owner side. Okay, whatever the from owner one, if let's say you want to view under one report, come to task listing here. Okay, if you ask me how they receive, again, they will receive under the inbox. Yeah, action log is over here, you can see. Okay, so basically for owner side, what they will view is they can view this part, owner will view. Okay, later part, I will go in more details one. Let me finish into the management side first. Okay, be informed. I repeat again, we are not covering app yet. Okay, so the app part will be a last part. Okay, so we will more focus into the management side first, all the setup and everything. Then only we will go one round of the owner and management flow. Okay. Okay, for today, I'm not sure whether your salesperson got informed or not. Okay, so for today, we will cover for task management, preventive purchasing, e-community, and last part will be for the app part. Okay, so the app will be on the last sections lah. Yeah. It will be later part. You just can wait a while. Another, I think another 45 minutes we will start for the app. Okay. Okay. So now we will cover for another module, which is preventive. Okay. me a moment. Okay, so for preventive here, we will more focus into the reminder. Can be any type of reminder. Okay, and followed by for you to more focus into your equipment as well. Okay, I like to put a disclaimer again. Some of the features may sound like your inventory, but this is not an inventory, just for your reference purposes only. Okay, do take note it. Okay, first, if let's say any of you unable to choose the department code, let me show to you. Let my system appear first. Okay, if any of you unable to choose the department code, what you can do is you go to the setup here. Okay, go to the property face setup. Okay, so what you have to do is once you press the add, okay, example, you add, okay, you have to put your department code like JMB. So you have to put property page 2, your property name, okay, your company code. Okay, normally the company code will be like JMB lah. Kalau kat sini not required, then you don't need to put anything. Your country code, okay, that's it. It is good enough for you. Okay, nothing else. Okay, this one I'm just telling in case anyone unable to choose the department code lah. Okay, that's it. Okay, so we come back to here. Auto work order planner. Okay, so again for the plan, I believe for just now got someone asked me a question as well. Okay, so if let's say you have like any upcoming appointment, okay, either like any recurring reminder, okay, you can preset in the system. Okay, but you have to be rajin enough to update. Okay, if let's say you have like a daily appointment means, okay, that one is not a recurring one. Okay, so daily appointment means like it is required for yourself to update in the system in order to notify the user. Okay, so if you have example, I will show you 2 examples lah. One is very commonly used, your recurring reminder. Okay, maybe you have any like servicing. Example, we'll take it as the swimming pool. Okay, servicing. Examples, okay. If I put like a okay, so for example, let's say I put swimming pool, kejap, swimming pool cleaning example, I'm just using a sample only, Okay, example like item. What is item is that I can put? Swimming pool servicing lah, I just put the simple one. Okay. Okay, and then you can see here, full servicing. I put category, I just put cleaning lah. Okay, you can put maintenance also can lah, shouldn't be a problem lah. Okay, and then lepas tu technician, it will be done by internal. I just put sample lah. Okay, internal equipment code, I don't choose it. Okay, if let's say I am servicing for any like a leaf or any equipment that I did pre-register in the system, then I can choose my equipment code. Since this one I didn't register as equipment, so I just ignore it. Location where? Okay, location I just put like full there lah. Okay. Lepas tu okay. Time scale. Okay. I put month 4. Means in a month, 4 times it will remind you. Do take note on this part. When it start, example, I just put sample data only. Okay. And then task. Okay, I just choose a task carry forward. Means whenever the date is fall under the non-working days, okay, I just put as the task carry forward. So it will work during the, it will fall under the working days. If you still like, you want to proceed, even though on not working days, you just can put task proceed. Okay, and here is quite important. Okay, so assigned by department, I choose J and B. Myself first, okay, tiba. Okay, to whom that I want to assign. Okay, J and B juga. Okay, Weni. Okay, save. That's it. Okay, so again, I want to repeat this swimming pool in a month 4 times. It will keep on remind the Venice. It will keep on remind you. Okay, so if let's say you want the suspend, you just can put the suspend. If you put suspend, means like you already suspend the case. It's like you already suspend your reminder, so it won't keep on remind you. Okay, and save it. That's it. Okay, this is for the recurring one. Okay, if let's say you want to do in a daily, can also. Okay, example, something like this. Okay, so for the daily one, you just can put day 1. Okay, that's you want to put like for example, let's say you already know I open the new one. Example, okay, tree trimming. Okay, so of course you will get, okay, if let's say normally you put the month here, okay, until you off it, it will keep on remind you. Okay, until you off it, it will keep on remind you. So that's why you have to choose like a if I say already finished, even this is apply for daily also. Okay, even though it is already your appointment is only once. Okay, I think M Hub will ask me this question. Okay, so if let's say your appointment is only one, means you just can put the month. Okay, so and then frequency you put 1. When you want to be, means like when is your appointment date. Okay, you can put directly your appointment date. Either you want to remind them daily so that your staff won't be forget. Okay, example, my appointment is on next week. Okay, contoh, next week 2nd. So I just still can put my 2nd week. Okay, this one task proceed. Okay, oops. Okay, so I can choose to staff. It means I just can choose the staff. Again, the same process one. Let me choose first, then I brief to him up. Sorry. Okay, so over here you can see. Okay. Example lah. Okay, something like this. So if let's say you put your appointment, so once you've done the appointment, what you have to do is, okay, be informed. This reminder, after you send out the reminder to them, they will receive as a work order. Okay, when they will receive is based on your time base. Okay, so once they receive, what you have to do is, okay, example, this is for the day one. Okay, if you settle it, once they completed, you have to come here to suspend it so that it won't keep on remind the staff, okay, for your upcoming features. Sorry, for your upcoming, we can say like, it won't become recurring because this is just for that particular days. Okay, this is the first thing. Okay, then you have to save it. If I will show you, okay, if I fix now, I won't, of course, I won't get it now because this is for future. Okay, who can suspend? The one who issued the work order can suspend. Okay, means that the one who is setting up the planner can suspend it. Okay, how they will receive? Of course, they will receive at the inbox. Okay, sample like this. Let me show to you. Wait, beda. So my inbox here have a lot of messages. So that's why my one is a bit delayed, a bit to open up. Okay, just give me a moment. Wait, I open here. Where is one? Okay, got it. So you can see here, the one I want to show for the auto work order one, it will come out like this. Okay. You can see here, auto work order. This all is the auto work order. And over here, you can see there's many times it's already escalated. Okay. Actually, for work order, customer complaint, either for auto work order how you receive is again the same thing under the inbox. It will look like your work order layout. It's the same thing one. Okay, clear for this one? Okay. Okay, so after you completed over there, of course, it will reflect under your message box. Again, the same flow only. Okay. And then another thing, let me brief you on how you want to track your planners. Okay. Actually, under the inbox, normally we'll go more to the communication part of, okay, which will involve full process. If let's say you are just want to view only, you can view under the work order flow chart also can. Okay. Okay, from here. Okay. Example, I put month, Jan. Okay, category you can choose now. Okay, but I didn't choose, I just go for submit. Okay, over here you can see. I try to go a bit backdated. Okay, yes. So you can see here, whatever, you can see the color indication there, whatever is in a blue color, it's completed. EX stand for external technician, IN stand for internal technician. Okay, for here, you just can monitor only. Okay, so means like you still able to click into the task. Okay, you still can click into the task and you can view it. Example like this, maybe it's completed. I want to view the details. You can view it. Okay, it shouldn't be a problem. Okay, and that equipment register. Okay, the another three just will be like more like into like a basic, don't expect like into very fancy one. It is a very, very basic features. Okay, and go back. Yes. Okay, so equipment register here, again, I repeat, it may sound like inventory, but this is not an inventory. It's just for your reference purposes only. Okay, so over here, what you can do is, okay, again, I repeat, IN stand for internal technician, EX stand for external technicians. Okay. So equipment register. Okay, equipment register over here is referring to, again, I repeat for equipment register, just for your reference purposes only. Okay, so over here, you only will update the details of your any equipment, can be any equipment as per your wish. Okay, we don't control on that. Okay, whatever you want to update, you just can go ahead with that. Okay, and it be informed is just for your reference only. Okay, so add. Okay, how are you going to add on? Just add equipment code. Okay, means you just can create one code for that. Okay, it's up to you what code you want to create it, but you have to make sure that everyone is understand that particular codes. Okay, it's most important. Okay, so here, let me put like L leaf A4 means like leaf block 4 lah, example. So I have this elevator brand. What is that? Okay, since it's just for your reference, whatever the details you have, you just can update it. Okay. Okay, if you have like more details when you purchase it and everything, yes, you just can go ahead. Okay, shouldn't be a problem here. Okay, if let's say you have any like warranty, okay, for you, if let's say you want to update it over here, yes, can. Okay, you have to, sorry. Oh, this name already have alamat. Hey, let me create another one. The code is already occupied earlier. Oh, got already. Let me create another one. A. Six. Okay. Elevator. With current location. Block A. The chase. Okay, save. Oh, sorry, price. Sorry. Okay. Save. Okay. If you have any warranty, you just can update over here. Okay. So how you're going to update? Again, attach file here. Okay. And then another one is for your equipment servicing. Okay, if let's say your equipment is breakdown, okay, maybe you want to issue out your equipment service order, I can say. Okay, it seems like the work order just now I got mentioned, but if you wanted to use the work instead of equipment servicing, you want to use the work order also can, or you want to use here also can. Okay, so here, example, my leaf is breakdown. Okay, so I just can choose my equipment code over here. My leaf one, katakan leaf block A, leaf keempat dah broke down. So I just update all the details lah. Okay. I just put the very, very dummy data. Okay. Event type, leaf breakdown. Okay. Okay, moderate. Okay, you want to put the location over here also can. Save it. And then again from here, you have to assign to your staff. Okay. Target date, message to them, and submit. If you have any image, you can attach. Okay, how your staff will receive. Again, the same thing. Whatever the task it has been assigned, you will receive at the inbox. Let me show to you. Okay, so the inbox here. So over here. Okay, it's the same thing one. Huh? Okay, so if let's say you're already done, then you just can put completed. Okay. Okay. That's it. How it will notify you again at the inbox. Okay, it's the same process. Okay. And that the last part, okay, will be this one. Service contract. Okay, so let me log out this one. I log in into my master ID one. Yes, yes. Okay, so the last part will be the service contract. Okay, so service contract, again, this one also just for your reference only. Okay, just for you to update the equipment, sorry, your service provider details. Okay, how are you going to do so? And okay, for example, just now I got the new leaf mark. So I just choose it over here. Leaf A6, okay. Okay, what is their total contract sum? Okay, when they start service? From when? Okay. Okay, and then any agreement number between you. Means like average score means whether you like their service or not. Okay, after you update here and you just can save it. That's it. Okay, nothing much. Okay. And we still have one more module to go. Okay, so after this module, we will go for the short break. Then after that, we will go to the e-community lah. Okay, so the purchasing. Okay, actually purchasing is a quite simple and straightforward. Okay, so the purchasing here, it's up to you how you want to manage. Okay, because there's some flexibility for you actually. Okay, you have like in two way. Okay, you can manage it in two way, means like from online approval also can, either for you through the like manual approval. Manual approval means you just will use our system to issue out the PR and PO. But when it's come to the approval and everything, it will be in the manual. Okay, so first we will go to the setup first for online approval one. Okay, so here, okay, this one applicable, like this one for those who wanted to do the online approval can take note of this. Okay, another thing, if let's say you want to allow for online approval in order for management, like the committee level wanted to approve means you must give them access into the system. Means they must have a user ID so that they can receive and they can approve it. Okay, so I go to the user approval setting. Contoh. Okay. Sorry. Okay, I will choose the person who will issue the PR first. Okay, for now, I will go one-to-one. Means I only will add on one higher level people for the approve the PR. Okay, but in real case, of course, it won't be in one. Okay, it can be 3 or 4. Okay, so the reason why I'm showing one, it is very easy for you to understand. Okay, and it's very straightforward. Okay, so how are you going to do the setup? First, you have to choose the user code who is issuing out the PR, purchase requisitions, and okay, choose the committee name. Okay, save it. That's it. After this done, second, yang ni. Okay, this one, it is subject to you. Okay. Okay, example. So this is the approving limit, 80,000. If you want to increase it or decrease it, can. Okay, you just can edit. Choose the username, just can edit it. Shouldn't be a problem. Save. That's it. Okay. The system option setting. This one you can refer to your account people. Okay, so if let's say you have any discount from your vendor, normally it have to capture under your financial chart of account. Okay, so you just can mention to your account people, if you have this practice lah. If you don't have, then no need lah. Okay, kalau ada sahaja, you can check with your account people to get the discount account number from your chart of account. That's it. Okay, and then okay, now we will straight go to the points. Okay, I will log out this one. Okay. Okay, first we will issue out the PR first. Okay, how are you going to issue the PR? Go to the purchasing. Okay, purchase requisition. Okay, and then party name means like what you want to from which vendor you want to buy the things. Okay, maybe from Johnson Rian Berhan. Let me choose what I want to buy. Okay, so here the item. Okay, you can put it by your own self lah. Okay, example, meeting table. Okay, quantity I just put 1. What is the price? 1,000 ringgit. Example, save. At the same time, I want to, under this vendor, I want to buy some other item. Okay. Chair. 12. Each cost me about 200. Save it. That's all. Save. Okay. This is most important part. If you don't practice online approval, you can print it. Okay, you can print and you just can pass this thing to your committee member for the signature. Okay, all the notes here, please refer to our technical site for the changes. Okay, if you do the online approval, what you have to do is, this is the task mark, sorry, this is the PR mark just now I issue. You can see here, approval chain. Go to the approval chain here. you can see your approve officer here. Okay, if let's say you have 4, of course you have like a full listing over here. Okay, you have like a full listing over here. Dekat sini lah. Okay, since my one is only 1-to-1, just submit requisition here. Okay, that's it. So now what I will do is, I log out this one. Okay, I log in into mine. Okay. So you can see here, I have received a new message. So normally it will be under your inbox lah. Wait a moment. Give me a moment. Okay, so here you can see, I already received one requisition here. Okay, so okay, these are the things that I want to, my staff want to buy and everything. So I can approve either reject. Okay, if they attached any file, you can view it from here. Okay, so I just approve it. Okay, after approve, of course, they will get the notify again. Okay, at the message box dengan inbox. Okay, but now I directly show to you how you want to apply this PR into PO. Okay. Okay, so let me log in into my staff one. I use this over here. Okay, so of course you will get notified at the message here. Okay, sorry, at the inbox here. Okay, so upon you get notified, how you want to track your PO means how you want to update your PO is quite simple. First thing, after you get the approval, go back to your PO. Okay, and choose your vendor just now. John. Okay, you see here, after you put the John here, you already have like again, I repeat, please focus. This one. Okay, purchase requisition. Next. Next. Okay, so everything has been filled, save, and you just can print this one. Okay, this is the PO. But for those people who don't do the like online approval, you have no choice lah. You have to key in back. Okay, so that's it for purchasing. If let's say you have any question, feel free to put it at the chat box. I will reply to you. And meanwhile, we will take a break. Okay, we will start our e-community. Okay, for those who are very eager to learn about our app. Okay, so you can come back at 12 p.m. Lah. Okay, we will start at 12 p.m. Okay. Okay, so we will go for the last module, okay, which is the e-community. Okay, this is a very, very simple and straightforward. Okay, so let me explain to you. Okay, so the first thing is over here. E-community, you can find it from here. Okay, so what we will look into it is, again, I mentioned e-community for you to manage the app. Okay, for you to update the announcement, to do some setting. Okay, everything will be under here. Okay, so first thing is for you to create the user ID. Okay, basically the user ID will be created by the management side. Okay, so as a management, you have a responsibility for you to create the user ID. Okay, how are you going to create it? Okay, first thing, here, issue login ID, view all. Okay, then you have to select the user ID over here. Okay, so and be informed, if let's say you want to create for 1,000, 2,000, the process are same. Okay, so you have to select and then generate the user ID. Press OK, you can create it. If let's say you are generating about 1,000 people or 500, make sure you change your batch size according to a unit number lah. Okay, then it's up to you. You want to email to them also can, either you want to print and provide to them also can. Okay, so this will be the user ID and details for web URL and for app. Okay, so this will be their one-time password, user ID and password. Okay. Okay, so this will be the details one. Okay, so basically this template is a preset from the CSS system one. Okay. Of course, the header will be your own header lah. Okay. Okay, this is the QR code lah. Okay. So this is the first thing that it will be done it. Okay. And then another thing will be, no, this is not for e-payment. Okay, this is QR code. You can have a look over here for you to download the app. Okay. You can scan so that you can access into your particular stores. Okay. Okay. Then now, how are you going to upload the announcement? Okay, first thing, okay, here, community news. Be informed, A to Z for this one will be managed by the management side. Okay, they the one will upload the announcement, okay, upload the bylaw, everything is done by the management side. Okay, so if let's say you wanted to upload the announcement, okay, this is actually, don't misunderstand. This is actually for you just to create the user ID. Okay, if let's say you want to add the QR code for the payment part, you have to refer to our technical side. That one will fall under property management side one. Okay, you can inform to your management, or I also can inform to your management staff as well. I will ask them to refer to for the uploading QR code for payment under your invoice lah. Okay, I will talk to them later. Okay. Okay, so for here, we will upload the announcement. Okay, so when it's come to the announcement part here, it is up to you. Okay, when you want to announce it. Now, of course, whenever you upload the announcement as a user, they will get notified. Plus, another one, community news is for you to JPEG announcement. Means JPEG PNG yang bergambar. Okay, come with the pictures. Okay, example, let me show. Okay, let me get one. Okay. So if let's say I have any announcement, okay, so what I can do is I just can upload it over here. Sorry. Okay, let me download few first. Okay. Wait. Oh yeah. Okay, cool. So you come back here. If let's say you have any announcement to be posted, you just can upload under the community news. Okay, so go to the manage, add, choose the file. Okay, I will choose the one I download just now. Okay, then just put Happy Labor Day 2023. Okay. Just content. Okay. So heading means like it's your header lah. Okay. First, of course, you have to upload the picture, put the header, content. Okay, content of your titles lah. Okay. And then party to whom that you want to announce. Okay. So over here we have a filter lah. Okay, whether you want to announce to your tenant also can, your owner also can. Okay, I just put to all resident. And then okay, feature news. Okay, let me show. I think first, then later I show you what's the feature news. Active. If let's say you have more than one department code, you just can apply all department code lah. Okay. And then app banner. You just can choose as an app banner. Later in the app, I will show to you. Later, after this one only, I finish this all, then only I go to the app part now. Okay. So I save it. Okay. After I save, okay, once I save, it is mean like I'm posting this announcement. Okay, so once I post it out, of course, you will get the details. Okay. Example, if I choose as the feature news, this is the, means like it will appear in the first page lah, in the web. Okay. And then the next, okay. Sorry. Tersilap. Okay, the next, if let's say you want to delete the announcement, okay, you just can select and you just can delete it. Okay, shouldn't be a problem. Okay, maybe you want to remove from your owner view. Okay, you just can choose the announcement, edit, untick the announcement, save it. Okay, it still will under your reference, but the owner unable to view it lah. Okay, and then followed by another one, management bulletin. Okay, management bulletin also is announcement, but this one is in a PDF announcement. Okay, please take note. Okay, please take note. Community news is for the JPEG announcement. Management bulletin, it is for PDF announcement. Okay, how are you going to upload? Again, go to the manage and choose your file. Okay. Let me see what I want to upload. Okay, example. Okay. April test. Okay, save. That's it. Okay, be informed whenever you upload the announcement like community news, either the PDF copy one, of course, the owner will get notified. Okay. Okay, then followed by another one, facilities booking. Okay, here is place for you to create the facilities. Okay, so how you going to create is, of course, you have to create by your own self. Okay, so, okay, over here, we can split into two parts. Okay, first part for the setting, another part for the defaulted. Okay, and I want to put some disclaimer here. Our facilities for now, we don't have approval yet. Okay, for those facilities which is require the deposit, we are not encouraging you to make a booking, means to let your owner to book from here. Okay, for those like a free facilities, you can allow them to book from here. Since we don't have the control for you for those like deposit which having the, sorry, for those facilities which having the deposit payment. Okay, so first thing, if let's say you want to create the facilities unit, how you going to create it is go to the manage here. Okay, and okay, choose file over here is referring for your facilities punya picture. Okay, if you have, you just can upload lah. Kalau tak ada, tak apa. Okay. And then facilities name. What facilities I want to put? Level 4. Example, okay. And then what time is open? Contoh, 9 o'clock. What time is closed? Contoh, 9 o'clock. Maximum duration. Per booking, how many hours they can use? Okay. This one up to your households. Okay. Calendar length. Okay. I put 10 here. 10 means they only can view for 10 days lah. If I put 7, means like my calendar, they only can view week by week only. Okay. Quarter time scale. Okay, let me choose this one and explain to you. Okay, so which means this quarter times, I just put my own sample. Quarter time scale here, I put month. So the hour is the quarter hour is 12, which means in a month, all the units, okay, contoh all the units under demo octopus villa for netball court, they only entitled to use for 12 hours. Contoh, katakanlah, okay, any of the unit, they already fully utilized this 12 hour. If they request to add on, they are unable to add on. The reason is, okay, the reason is we are not doing the adjustment for particular unit. Okay, this setting is for facilities unit, not for the owner unit. Okay, and then sebelum berapa hari dia kena book. Okay, that's it. Okay, and if you untick member book online, they are unable to book through the online. If you tick it, they can book it. Okay, again, I repeat, for now, we don't have a facilities to control those facilities which have a deposit payment. Okay, so please take note on this part. And then if you have any, like you want to, even though it's a free one, you want to control your defaulter, then, okay, you can put it, go here. Okay, example, you can go by, you can set up by, actually, you can just set up by each facilities unit lah. Contoh, like tennis court. Contoh lah, okay. So you want to put the defaulter setting, can you just can go to the defaulter setting. You can choose which GL code you want. Okay, very commonly, so we just syncing one. Okay, if let's say you want to add on more, yes, you can add on like your water can. Okay, then you just can put the amount. Okay, what is the amount? If let's say you put 1,000, for those who have the outstanding more than 1,000, they are unable to book the facilities. For those who have the outstanding less than 1,000, they can book the facilities lah. Okay, that's it. Okay. Okay, once you're done, you just save it. If, let's say, okay, someone is like any like unit owner coming into management, okay, they want the management help them to book it. And how you're going to do so is choose your facilities unit here. Okay. And then the lot number. Okay, which lot they want to book. Okay, then what time they want to book. Okay, book for siapa? Got banyak orang sini. When is? Okay, so you can see here the quota hours. Okay, save. That's it. Okay, if they want to reduce the usage time, we can. You just can press into it. Okay, edit. And you just can change to 9. Save. That's it. That's it. Okay, if they want to void, of course, you just can void it. Okay, for this process, all you have a report lah. Later, under the reporting part, I will show to you. Okay, we still have few more to go. Okay, after that, I will show you the reporting part. Okay, okay, this is the thing. Okay, so far, any question? Meanwhile, if let's say you have any question, you just drop at the chat box there lah. Okay, so later on, I will answer to you guys. Okay. So we come back here. Form downloads. Okay, for now, we only have like the e-forms lah. Okay, so for the e-form one, you just can, sorry, we don't have an e-form yet. Okay, I'm so sorry. We only have a PDF form. Okay, you just can upload the PDF form over here. Okay, so how are you going to upload? Go to the manage here. Add. Okay, choose the file. Okay. Press save. That's it. Okay, just for you to upload only. Okay, nothing much. Okay, similar goes to house rule. Okay, go to the bylaw here, manage, edit, choose your file, and you just have to choose your file and save. That means like you have to save it now. Okay, I did have my house rules here. Okay, you just have to save. That's it. Okay. So if let's say it's a blue color means there's some house rules there lah. Okay, which you can view for it. Okay. Followed by management committee. Okay. This part is a bit tricky one. Okay, you have to focus well. Okay, the reason why I say it's focus well, because even though many times they attend the training, they might forget on the simple thing one. Okay, let me guide you all. So this management committee here, we can split into two parts. First part is this one, the upper part. Okay, first part is the upper part here. Okay, the another part is the below part here. Okay, we will look into the first part first. Okay, first thing is you have to manage. Kat sini dulu. Okay, management number, it is referring to your batch of your committee member. Batch keberapa dia orang. Nak letak tahun pun boleh atau you nak letak nombor pun boleh. Tak ada masalah. Okay, now I just add management. Sekarang I punya management tu management yang ke-55. Tak 55. Management type, just JMB. Okay, time begin. Okay, bila dia start, contoh. Okay, this is just fully a dummy data only. Okay, when the term is end. Okay, the JMB registered number lah. Okay, and the form date. Save. That's it. Okay, after you add on management number, then only you can add on the your committee details. Contoh, how are you going to add on? Add one number. Oh, sorry, one is for chair lady, the chairman. Okay, the name will be okay. Unit number is up to you lah, what the details you want to put. It is not necessary for you to update all the details lah. Kalau nak letak boleh je. Kalau tak nak letak pun tak apa je. Okay. Ready? Save. That's it. Okay, if you have more, just keep on add on. That's it. And another thing I want to highlight to you, all of you, you can see here, my management number 55. This is my chair lady. Another thing I want to highlight here, if this one, the management number, actually it is linked to your minutes of meeting. Later I show you how. Okay, in order for you to upload the minutes of meeting, it is required for you to update the management number. Okay, how we going to do so? First thing, kalau tak ada yang ni, you forever you cannot upload. Okay, go to the minutes of meeting. This one on how you upload the minutes. You can upload like monthly or just your AGM minutes. It is up to you. Okay, we won't control on that. Okay, choose, add, choose your file. Okay. You can see here, it is auto captured. Kalau tak ada, then you really cannot upload. Okay, meeting ke-1. JMB introduction lah. Intro. Just simply I put. Simply just put. Okay. Then meeting date. Okay. Means by. Oh. Save. That's it. Nothing much. Yes, yeah. Okay, done. So you can see here, JMB intro. Okay, account statement no need to do anything lah. Okay, just refer to your management for property management, so under property management side there. Okay, and then service request. Okay, this one is quite important. Okay, please do take note on that. Okay, so even this one also, like even after attend the training, many people overlook on these features. Okay, if you want to implement the complaint and then send out the banking slip, okay, from the app, you have to do the setup of a service request recipient. Okay, actually the function of your service request recipient means like all the tasks, like to set the receiver, to simple sentence, to set the receiver. Okay, if let's say you implement without setting the receiver, means of course the resident unable to send out anything. Okay, in order for you to set up, how you can be done, edit, then you just have to choose your staff name. Okay, just from here, just choose from available field, let it to be jumped at the selected field. Okay, save. That's it. Okay, this is a very important part lah. Okay, the next one, contact list. Okay, contact list means you can upload any nearest emergency contact. Okay, like can be like a balai bomba, police, your security number, your management number, any relevant number just can be uploaded over here. Okay, are you going to upload? Go to the contact, block A, control room. Okay. Okay, discussion is a security line. Okay. Then you just update the contract. That's it. Save. Itu sahaja. Just a contact entry sahaja. Okay. and then phone app setting. Okay, so if let's say dekat CSS home ni, there's a many features there. Okay, if you decided like certain features you don't want to upload, okay, so yes, sorry, you want to hide from your owner view, yes, you always can hide it. Okay, so how are you going to hide? You just can edit. Okay, and then you just can untick it. What are the features that you don't want? And save. Save. That's it. Okay. Lepas tu. Okay. We will have like another 2 more setup. But these 2 more setup, it is more to for those client who using the VMS lah. Okay. So for those who are not using a VMS, you still can stay here for a while because later we will have a look into the app part. Okay, since we under the setup, let me finish all the setup. Okay. Okay, for those who is the client, which client are using the VMS one? VMS is Visitor Management System. For SOHO, don't have these features. Okay. So, okay, for VMS, I believe you all kena buat 2 setup lah. Okay. The first setup is, of course, you have to register your parking. Okay. The parking for you is quite simple and straightforward. Okay. You have like a 2 type of, means that you can choose like 2 type of a registration one lah. Like, in another word, we can say as a data entry. One, you can add on one by one. Either you just want to migrate the data by your own, also can. Shouldn't be a problem. Okay. So, how you're going to do so is, first I akan tunjuk cara which you go like you add on one by one. If you add on one by one, you just go to the add. Okay, update your bay number. Okay, your pass number. Okay. Okay, that's it. Save. Okay, so you can see here. This one. Okay, this is the one just now I updated. Okay, if you don't want to, if you don't want to update from here one by one, maybe you have about 100 visitor parking. You need to migrate from the you need a template for migrate also can. You just can go to the sample data here. Okay. Enable editing. So you just can update from here. Okay. Contoh. Then the pass number. If you save it. Okay, after you save, and then you can import the data. Import now. You can see here, these are the details I updated. Okay, that's it. Okay, and followed by this one, creating the pass. Okay, for the creating the pass also is the same process. Okay, if let's say you wanted to, okay, you wanted to, of course, you have to create the pass. Okay, so if you want to create one by one, can. You just can go here add one by one also can. But if let's say many, I don't suggest go one by one, which is like quite like time for consuming. Okay, contoh entrance I choose. Got house, pass ID, category is kapas. Save. Okay, this is how you enter one by one. Okay, or here. If I say you want to means like update in lump, can go to the sample data here. Okay, enable editing. So you just can put your entrance here. VP. Category. Visitor. Just a simple lah. Okay, save. Okay. Okay, we don't open API for other vendors, huh? Okay, so now we just can import, choose a file, okay, and then just can import back. Okay, itu sahaja. Okay, so you can view it. Okay, this is one I updated lah. Okay, this one. And the last one is for yang ni. Patrolling. So for those who using the patrolling one, wait. Okay, for those who using the patrolling one, you always can create your patrolling code from here. Okay, how you going to create? You just can add. Okay, you can update your clocking point level here. Okay, and save. That's it. Okay, and then you can print it, you can stick it. Okay, but if I say you want to know on more to the this is we just cover the setup part only. If you want more into the usage level, you have to get appointment with your sales rep lah. Okay, normally they can go with the online approval, online meeting on how to utilize this security patrol. Okay, and then okay, that's QR. The QR pass here. This one no validity time one. Okay, means just you can use reusable this one. This is a reusable one. It's just a pass which have a QR code. Okay, and then okay, we will go into the app part. Okay, after the app part, I will show you how you're going to reply to your resident. Then the last part will be your reporting part. Okay, so let me connect to my app first. Okay. Let me connect. Okay. Okay. Oh, aduh. So this will be the app. Okay. Okay, this is resident view. Okay. On top, of course, is announcement. Okay, so this is not a briefing section. This is just a training section. So I just will guide you on how we're going to reply the resident complaint. Okay, so I have to show the app. So you will clear with the entire process. If now owner want to send the complaint to you, okay, what they will do is service request, okay, new request, okay, contoh, just put like cleaning complaint, okay, and then location, where is it? Lobby, okay, lobby tiles dirty. Okay, and then you can upload the picture also over here, okay, and submit. Okay, you can see here. Okay, you already submit to the management. How does the management will receive? Okay, let me minimize it. Okay, okay, I log in. Okay, of course, at the inbox here. Yeah. Okay, so you can see here, this is your owner complaint. Okay, so what you can do is you just can put the message to your client. Okay, noted, we will look into it. Okay, and then message to EC member. Okay, submit. So what your owner will have is, of course, they will get the notification. Okay, you can see here. Okay, okay, let me show you. You can see the down here. Okay, once the owner, sorry, your management reply to you, you will get the notification. Okay, just now I minimize, so that's why you don't have a banner there. So you can see here, noted, we look into it. So you can add your comment here. Okay, Thanks for response. Reply, okay, submit. And of course, they also will receive back. Okay, so let's say you already done this job. Okay, you just can put it completed. Okay, done. Okay, submit. Okay, if you have this message, it's okay, you can ignore this one. Okay, the reason is this one is for SMS user. Okay, this one you can ignore, shouldn't be a problem one. And you can see all the communication over here. Okay, what the user said, what you say. Okay, user reply and your reply. These all the features here will be captured at your report as well. Okay, and I show you the resident view. Okay, you can see here, unable to zoom in. Okay, so unable to zoom also. So you can see here. Okay, of course, whenever they reply to you, there will be a notifications lah. Okay, so this is the complaint. Last time we don't have a communication. Now we already have a communication one. Okay, hope all the side. Okay, you can make use these features lah, since you already have a platform for you for the handle the complaint one. Okay, which I believe which is quite completed. You have a notification, you can notify, you can reply to them. Your owner also can reply to you. Okay, which is more easy communicate. Okay, and both party also can view, can track all the tracking under one page. So it will be more convenient lah. So instead of WhatsApp, you guys can utilize the service request. Okay, and then last but not least, the reports. Okay, facilities report first. Okay, here. Okay, so this is my demo account, so might be sometimes I won't get the data that I want, so I just choose the empty facilities and I search. So when I search all the listing, I will get it. Okay, this is the my facilities booking details lah. Okay, you can view it from here. Okay, all the details. Okay, if I say you want to customize your own report also can. Maybe you want to find by your facilities unit also can, your unit number also can. No problem on that. Okay. Okay, thank you for your feedback. I will take your feedback and we will revert to our programmers lah. Okay. And then okay, lepas tu, okay, if you wanted to export into Excel, print pun boleh juga. Okay. And lepas tu, other report I want to show is your member ID report. Okay, all the user ID report, you can view it from here. Okay, when the last login everything, you can view from here lah. Okay. Lepas tu, what else? And here will be the sub ID report. Okay, if let's say you have any sub user, okay, the owner created for management, owner create for their own. I will show you how to create the sub ID as well. Okay, if you created the sub ID for your family members, okay, management can view their details over here. Okay, so how are you going to create? Okay, this will be the last part lah. I guide you all. Okay, let me create one user ID first. Okay. So for now, we don't have like user ID which can create by means you can create it at app yet. Okay, so we still have to depend on the web. Okay. Log out. Okay. I log in as a member. OSW. 03. Okay, if maybe I want to give the user ID for my children's, okay, I just can go to the login sub ID. Okay, and then add, okay, go to the sub ID contact, Mail, okay, I can, oh Mail dah ada dah, sorry, siapa nama saya nama? Stella, okay, okay, so all the details actually I can update lah, okay, kalau tak update pun tak apa, okay, accept, save. Already reached 5. Oh, sorry. This maximum is 5 only. This unit already reached 5. So I delete one. I add on one more now. Okay, I delete one. I add on one more. I show again. Okay, if I want to add on, I go to the add sub ID, put the name. Okay, accept, save. Okay. If more than 5, you're unable to add on. Our maximum is just a 5 only. Okay. So that's it. So you can see this is their user ID and password. So you can provide these two for them to log in into the app. Okay. So that's all for today. And then if you have any question, you still can put it. So we will share this manual PDF copy plus this recorded video to your sales rep. So meanwhile, for those who have, if you have your sales contact, you just can directly email your, so you can WhatsApp them your email address to them. So it will be convenient for them just to send the recorded video. Okay. And then whatever the tutorial we have, we will share it to you. You all can play around first. Okay, of course, in one day, you can't capture all the things. If let's say you have like any doubt you want to clear, you can contact our technical person also can. Okay, either we have our app. This one is just for the app. If you have any issue, the app number one, you still can put it. Means like you send some feedback ke, complaint ke, everything to our app. Means help desk app lah. Okay. Wait, you all can take note on this number, please. Okay. For now, siapa ni we don't have features to create the sub ID under the app yet. Okay, this is our help desk contact. Okay, for VMS and for CSS phone, you just can contact them. And then our landline will be here. Okay. So for those who taking the time and initiative to attend the training to learn, thank you so much. Really appreciate if you all can try out and utilize well. If let's say you have any feedback for CSS improvement, just feel free to always update us lah. Okay. Thank you. So thank you so much. Happy holiday and stay safe.